In today's video, I'll show you guys how the GTA Vice City CLEO 2.0 mod enable advanced mods, custom scripts, and extended gameplay features in 2026. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, select the download option, and wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now just close tab here. I click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop these two files inside my game folder. And now you can launch the game. CLEO 2.0 is a required plugin for GTA Vice City that allows advanced mods, custom scripts, new missions, and gameplay features to work properly. It acts as foundation for thousands of mods without changing the original game. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.